Hello friends, today's topic existing stocks in insurance sector facing challenge in future. I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today there were many announcements and news which are likely to have significant impact on Indian and global markets in the coming weeks and months. Announcements are likely to impact many companies. There are three news today. Number one, insurance laws likely to be amended. As per reports, the foreign direct investment FDI limit in the insurance sector is likely to be raised to 100% from 74%. Insurance companies may be allowed composite licenses which might be considered in the current winter session of Parliament. A unified or composite license allows insurance to provide life, general as well as health insurance policies under one entity. At present, life insurance cannot sell health insurance and vice versa. Also, one of the provisions could be that insurance agents are able to sell policies of various companies to the prospective buyers. A single license for insurance as well as 100% FDI limit could power up investments and enhance insurance penetration in India. This news will increase competition in the insurance sector and also encourage foreign companies to invest in India's insurance sector. The proposed hike in FDI limit is being considered at a time when foreign player Alliance is looking to exit its partnership with Bajaj to re-enter the segment as a standalone entity. We need to see how insurance stocks such as SBI Life, LIC, HDFC Life and ICICI Prudential trade in the coming days. Today, all the stocks were quite flat, but the upcoming changes in the law will have a lot of impact. Second news of today is Israel likely to approve ceasefire with Hezbollah. After more than 1 year of war between Israel and other forces supporting Iran, as per Israeli officials, Israel is likely to approve a US plan for ceasefire with Hezbollah. This could result in the fall in the geopolitical uncertainty and help in the overall improvement of global economic situation. The Israeli cabinet will vote on ceasefire deal today and it has been approved in principle by Israeli Prime Minister. The ceasefire approval is made official, then one of the reasons for the consolidation the global stock markets will remove from the time being. Third news is Donald Trump threatens tariffs on various countries. US President-elect Donald Trump has announced that the US will impose heavy tariffs on its important trading partners Mexico, Canada and China. This has impacted global stock markets. There is also concern on whether the US will impose tariffs on India. Donald Trump has earlier made remarks on the trade imbalance with India. Trump announced that on January 20th, when he takes oath as US President, he will sign all necessary documents to charge Mexico and Canada a 25% tariff on all products coming to United States. Also, 10% additional tariffs will be charged on China on all products coming into US. Trump supported tariffs as a key element of his America First trade policy, which aims to strengthen domestic industries. Although India has not been directly targeted, Trump's previous comments suggest that his administration could take a closer look at US-India trade relations. This was the reason most of the Asian markets were weak today and European markets are negative today. End of the video, here is a question. Do you think Trump may take some US-focused policies which could hurt Indian businesses in the coming years? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching, bye bye and all the best.